Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a really quick tutorial on how to install Sherlock in 2024. So I'm running a live system right now on VirtualBox, and so the command to install it, the new installation method for 2024 is, let me open that again. It's going to be pip install Sherlock-project. So let me take out my notepad and make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. I just happened to have to reinstall it while I was doing something, so taking this opportunity to just do a quick tutorial on how to do this, since it's been requested in the comments here. Alright, so run that command first. And then it will put it into a different path. So it tells me right here the script is installed in home Kali local bin, which is not in the path. So what you want to do next is cd into that path. So just copy that, whatever path it tells you. It should tell you the same one. I'm going to type it since I can't copy to the Windows system from Kali right now. So you could just leave it like that. If that doesn't work, CD and then put that in. And once you CD into it, you can click on or type in ls to list the items in that directory, and there you go, there's Sherlock. So now you can use Sherlock for whatever you want. This is how to install it in 2024. Alright, catch you guys in the next video, guys and gals. Later.